show you really quickly how this thing turned my tomato jungle into something a lot more manageable. So I'm gonna turn you around real quick. Okay, so taking a look at the leaves here and the vines, I trimmed off a bunch of the excess branches and leaves that weren't close to like the buds and the flowers. So then I took my tying tool and I just kind of put some things around the vines and the fence, because a lot of the stuff was getting diseased. A lot of the limbs were diseased on the bottom, and then it was just chaos up here. I couldn't really see any of the fruit. It had like a million branches, I swear. But I do think I went a little too heavy when I was pruning, but thankfully the plants are smart and they immediately, like within the past 2 days, decided to put out some new leaves so that they can continue to photosynthesize. And that's one thing about tomatoes. They are vigorous. They love to live. But now they're like taller than me. Like some of these are from this plant that are like up here and then down, and I have them like woven over so that they have airflow. But instead of doing something over here with this, I'm going to show you how you can use this to trellis other vining plants. So in just a minute, I'm going to go over to my squash and show you. We're over here at my honey nut squash, and you see how it's kind of going crazy and it's not really going up the trellis like I need it to. I'm about to use my trellising tool to do that. So, because it's got tendrils, but it's just not. Ugh, there's a bug flying around me. Oh my god. I wish they would leave me alone. But yeah, okay, so see how it's kind of like leaning over, and this could be good enough if I were just to come out here and just do this, but I want to go ahead and secure it so that it's not flopping all over the place until it's mature. So let me make sure I've got these in the right position, and then I'll show you how I'm going to tie it. Okay, just like before, just do that. Hang on, there we go. Okay, so the tape is prepared. I'm just going to go around a part of the plant and attach. It's going good. I need to replace the thingy, so you basically just unattach this little glue part right here after you put this in here. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, there we go. And just guide it through here and then up through the little teeth. And before I show you the teeth, I'm going to close this. Okay. And see how you just kind of wiggle it under there, and then you are loaded again. Okay, come on. There we go. Ready to go tie. To replace the staples, this one came with 10,000 staples, and I've used the one that it came with in there, and I've used one of them already. So you take this thing, pull it back. There's literally staples in there. I don't know why it's being difficult, but since I have this open, I'll just show you. Let me get, basically you have to have them upside down. So it's different than a normal stapler. They're upside down, see? And then you just push this silver thing in to lock it. Okay, let me see. Oops. Oh, goodness. It was giving me trouble earlier, just a minute ago. Let me try it. Okay, now it wants to staple when I'm sitting down. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, it did it. Okay. Okay, third time's the charm. Let's see if it's gonna act right this time. There we go. Perfect. And then now it will continue to go over the trellis.